Here in just a little while, we're going to head to the Ford dealership. I finally got the letter to have my airbag replaced on the passenger side. I done had the driver's side replaced. It's been over a year ago, maybe almost 2 years ago now. So I finally got the letter for the passenger side. So I'm going to go ahead and go. I got an appointment with them and everything, so we're going to go try to get that replaced and everything. Part of that, where like everybody's having to have their airbags replaced because of that company that started having the ones exploding and everything, faulty and everything. So we're going to go get that one replaced. Where I picked up the Husky. Alrighty, we made it. We're going to pull in here, let them get this airbag swapped out, and I'll see y'all back at the shop. Well, we got some good news and we got some bad news. Good news is they're going to fix it. Bad news is they messed it up while fixing the airbag, or replacing the airbag. So I'm going to show you here in a second the clips. I don't know if y'all can see all those little scratches, little fine scratches everywhere, and there's some good ones, like they were prying on it with a screwdriver right there. But yeah, majority of the scuffs and scratches are all right in there, all those. You can kind of see them everywhere. Apparently they sat the covers where the airbag is on the dash down, maybe on the floor mat or on the ground, I don't know, but they're pretty scratched up now, so you can see it. I'm OCD, so now it's going to drive me crazy every time I get in the car. So I brought it back to their attention, so they're going to have all new pieces replaced on the dash and everything, so that's good. But kind of making this video mainly, I wasn't even planning on making this video, but I'm making this video now because somebody that may have like the Carroll Shelby signature covers and everything might want to be aware of this, you know, so when they get there, just, you know, emphasize to them, you know, hey, I've seen where y'all have scratched these up before, so just be careful with it. So it's the only reason I'm making this video. I know a lot of people probably don't care nothing about watching it, but hey, I'm gonna make it just so people are aware. So I'll show you the clips and everything of the damage to it, and we'll fast forward to when it's fixed. Hopefully there's plenty of light in here, but we got it replaced finally. But yeah, these are the two pieces. They still look a little different. I don't know if maybe I just need to hit them with some cleaner polish or whatever, because they got like a little more of like a grain look to it, even though it's like brushed stainless. kind of stuff going on, but probably hit that with some cleaner and then it'll blend even better. But they definitely got it replaced. They're not dented, scratched, pried on or anything like that. So did an awesome job getting them replaced for me, and I appreciate that, making it right and everything. So yeah, we're back in business. Both airbags replaced, so we ain't gotta worry about them blowing up in our face. So good to go. As long as we keep it on the highway, don't hit anything, we won't have them blowing up in our face. So yep, super stoked. Got that replaced, done with, over with. So got a few more videos coming out. I got one where I had a few things like squeaking in the car, and it was just driving me crazy. So we went and Ford dealership fixed one of them. It ended up being the mirror that was like just rattling anytime I would hit like the little rumble strips or anything like that, or just say the speaker system was playing something that had a decent amount of bass. It would just, you could hear it rattling and everything up there on the windshield, and I thought it was something on the inside of the mirror, but it ended up being well, we'll save that for the video. So yeah, and the suspension, I had something back here on the passenger side, the suspension back here, that was had this horrible rattle noise and everything, pretty much the same time that the mirror was making noises. So yeah, we got both of those fixed, so I'll throw that video out here coming up pretty soon, and let y'all check that out, and hopefully it'll help y'all figure out some issues that y'all have and get them fixed. So yep, see y'all in the next video.
Tonight, Allah, Allah. I don't know. I don't know what to say.